Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to color code emails in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes as a part of Office 365. And if you want to color code your emails that maybe from a manager or from some important person or from the specific subjects, and you want them to be listed in the top, or just to be in a different font or something, you want to go in the mail section, the main view, and to the view settings right here, which is in the top. Just click on the view and click view settings. Now what you want to do is to click conditional formatting, and here are the rules that comes as standard from the first installation of an Outlook. And also you can add some rules. So let's click add, and we can name the rule. So let's say example rule, I'm gonna name it. And also you can select the condition. Now, as you can see, you have the search for the words, and where the Outlook should search in the words, you can select subject field only, subject field or message body, or frequently used text fields. So for example, if you want to search for the emails that have something common in the subject, like let's say PR or marketing or something, you want to click subject field only and search for the words. So this is going to filter it, and also you can add from who these emails should be filtered, and here you should place the specific email that who you want to filter with, or maybe if you don't want to filter from a specific email or just the subject name, just leave it as it is right now. And you can select the time, and here you have more choices, the categories or something else, and advanced. So let's say that I want to filter emails from the HardReset.Tutorial Outlook.com. Then click OK. And here in this section font, you can select the different font. For example, let's say maybe I want to use the elephant and bold it, and the size big, and also I can choose the color, for example, let's say aqua, and OK. And after adding the role, you just want to click OK, and then again OK. And now, as you can see, all the emails from the email that I have chosen are in a different font, bolded, and with a different color on it. So this is it. This is how you color code your emails in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.